Hi! So, heto na nga. Hi! So, heto na nga. Wala si Ditchy ngayon, so I'm joined with my inaanak.
Yes, she's not here.
So, nung last na nagpunta rito ang aking mga kapatid, ay nagpadala kami ng lutuan ng bibingka. So, inisisa na namin, nilinis namin. Kasi naman, hindi kami nakakatikim dito ng tunay na bibingkang galapong. Kahit na i-bake namin, bumili kami sa labas, hindi namin talaga kayang ma-achieve yung lasa ng bibingkang Nueva Ecija.
Bibingkang Santa Rosa.
Yes. Okay. So, kasi sa ibang mga tao, available lang yung pagpasko. Pero actually sa Nueva Ecija, may tindahan yan, available yan araw-araw, no? All throughout the year. So, now, magbe-bake kami ng bibingka in a traditional way. Yes! Gagamit kami ng, ano nga yun? Baga.
Uling.
Uling. Kahit nasa flat kami at try nating wag mag-alarm ang yun. Otherwise, yari kami kay Natur. So, let's go sa go!
So to start with, we will measure all our dry ingredients. We start with the rice flour. I put 2 cups in this measurement and we have to pass it through the sieve. Kasi may mga particles siya na malalaki, so we have to sieve it. Then our next ingredient will be glutinous rice flour. In this video, I put 1 cup, but then later on I added another cup, so you make it 2 cups. We add on the baking powder, which is 6 teaspoon. Then we put some 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We sieve them together. And then we have to add some sugar. I just add on 1 cup in this measurement, and later on you can adjust based on your liking. I don't like very sweet things. Then after all of these dry ingredients are done, you have to mix them all together and then set aside. Now go down to your eggs. Here I use 5 eggs, medium size, and I mix it with the coconut cream. I heat it a little bit because the coconut cream tends to be very sticking together. So now we have to mix all of your wet ingredients and then combine it with your dry ingredients. You will be forming a sort of a batter that is similar to a pancake. Just keep on mixing until it is smooth. Remove all the lumps, and then later on add like around 7 tablespoons of melted butter. Then mix it again. Once you get the texture nicely done, set it aside. Now we have to proceed to the very important thing in this process, which is you have to temper the banana leaves. Why you have to temper it? We are gonna put the banana leaves as a mold, you know, and if it is having some hole, it will damage your entire cup-like bibingka. So it is better to temper it with the heat, so it will become a little bit flexible and you will be able to shape it as the way you want it later on. So once I'm done, this is our clay pot. I want to get the correct size of banana leaves so I can cut what is the size I can put in this clay pot. If it doesn't fit, just keep it aside because you can also use it as a topper, you know, to protect the top side. But for now, I'm looking for a good size, which is, I think this is the one. Yes, this is the one. So when you find a good size, you have to fold it into triangle and then make a circle. Yes, exactly. This is gonna be your mold. So obviously in the UAE, we don't have a bibingka mold, so we improvise by using our grill for the meat. So we put charcoal at the bottom, and then we also use this aluminum container to use charcoal for the top. So now we are battering our banana leaves so it will not stick. For this size, we need 2 scoops of the butter. And then now put the toppings that you want, some cheese, salted eggs, And then you have to put some protection, some banana leaves on top so it will not stick to the aluminum topper we have. And put it on top of our bibingka, the way you have a heating under and heating up. When we open, I am so excited. This is our bibingka, and this is how the way I like it to be. Maybe just a little bit of browning, so I will just brush some butter here and then put back the banana leaves and then the charcoal. Wait for another 2 to 3 minutes until it is nicely brown. So there you have it. This is our bibingka made in a traditional way. It is very nice. We tried it. Even it cooled down, it didn't become hard. It remained fluffy and soft. Well, I hope you guys also give it a try and put in a comment below how you did.
So, heto na nga. We're back. At hindi ka mapigilang kumain. Natapos naming maghilamos dahil kanina para kaming natabunan ng lahar. Challenge pala talagang mag-ihaw or mag-grill sa loob ng bahay. Pero ganun pa man, pakita mo ang ating finished product. Yay! So, mayroon kaming tunay na bibingka and anong lasa? Titikman natin. Hindi na siya gumamit talaga ng tinidor eh. Talagang kinamay lang yan.
Traditional way.
Yes. Talagang bibingka siya.
Bibingka na talaga.
Dati no?
May texture siya.
So, meron ng mga kalaban yung mga taga riyan sa Plaza Lucero. I-challenge na namin sila. Bye-bye!
A few moments later.
So, ano? Sarap, no? Ayos yung texture niya. Ayan, no? Nakikita pa yung, ano, itlog na pula. Sarap. Sarap sa kape, Nina. Hindi na makapagsalita, no? Punong-puno ang bibig mo, no? Kaya ka sa, no? Hindi na kapila ka. Huwag tayo ng kape. Okay, tsaka yung binibigay sa atin dito eh, kapag bumibili ka sa plaza, ano eh. Plaza Lucero ba yan? Oo. Kaya ang pakuluan niya. For sure, naglalaway na yung mama mo niyan. Pwede talaga may picture sa mama mo? Kaya kasi ayaw nang pumunta eh. True. Meron din sa Kabanatuan. Pero mas masarap yung gawa natin. Butter kasi yung ginamit natin eh, no? Hindi star margarine. Tapos hindi tinipid sa itlog na pula sa cheese. Ang sarap. Ano siya? So, ang special. Yeah. So, ang ano pala, mas marami yung galapong kesa sa rice flour. Yung glutinous. Sarap. So, babalot ko na lang ito kay Leche. For sure, hindi yung bukas. Ano yan?